Yo, how are you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Adam and you're in my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix your microphone problems if you plugged your microphone on your PC. So if it's not working, you're here. So just make sure that your microphone is not broken. Then go. So the first thing that we are gonna do is finding our control panel and go to the hardware and sound recording, and here is something playing. If it's playing, then it's working. If it's playing but it's not your microphone is not working, click on it twice. So just make sure it's turned on and make sure just all things you have to make make your settings like this to the second now. So and set it at just max at 100. So and here just make sure that if at 0, so then it's not working, so you can plus it 10 easily, plus it 10, but quality is gonna be bad if you plus it. So I'm using it at 0, so quality is good. Then apply it and click on OK. So apply, click on OK. That was our first stage, and the second stage is gonna be on your folder. So go to your computer, just go there, so like this, and in the first, so here, so go to the first like that, and you're gonna find your microphone. Here is my microphone. From driver page, you are gonna update your driver like this. The first one is gonna your just update your driver automatically from internet. If you got internet connection, do it. If you don't got it, you're gonna go to the second page from the second. So here, just click on the next. Oh, but if you got internet connection, you're gonna do it from the first one. So update your driver, go to the first one here. So here you're gonna see like kinda install, just like that. Just click on that. Just when it finish installing your drivers, just you're gonna switch off your computer. Just then switch on it. So and this third stage is gonna be go to the settings. It's gonna be from settings, so go there, this one here. You're gonna find your microphone, click on it, and they are just turn them on. If they turned off, just easily turn them on. It must be working. So and here some of you know about this page, so some of you not. That's why I'm gonna explain you what is this. I know I'm not expert, but I'm gonna just explain you what is this. So just for example, I'm not using my microphone for Microsoft Store. That's why I have turned off. If I use it, so then if you are using this microphone for your Microsoft Store, so then you have to turn it on. Then you get it easily. So I'm using my Skype. I'm using my microphone for my Skype, so then I have turned on like this. So just turn it on for your device. I'm using my microphone for Telegram, for OBS, for my games, for Wondershare, for Yandex. So that's why I have just turned them on. Just this one. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for attention. Please don't forget about subscribing if my video or useful for you. Thanks. Have a nice day.